Hello my precious gems, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a review video. So ever since I started YouTube, you guys, I always wondered what people use to record their video, like what camera they're using, what is their light source, how does their makeup look so good, and what sort of lighting they are using and such things, and I've always wondered, so what are these people using? Like, how does their pictures look so good? So what are they doing when they want to record in the night and all of that? So after years and years of research, you guys, it took me a lot of time to finally decide on a camera, to finally decide on the lighting that I wanted. So I just wanted to talk about the ring light that I have bought, but I haven't really used it for YouTube. I used it once, but I haven't really used it for YouTube yet. Like, full blown, I haven't used it, but I really think that it's a really nice ring light, because I used that ring light for one recording for our church event, and it was brilliant. And then we used the same ring light to click photos for Jaden's birthday, who's my baby, right? So during his first birthday, we used the same ring light to actually give us lighting for the birthday pictures. And you guys, it just transformed all the pictures. Like, the room was actually well lit. We had tube lights, right? Like, we have tube lights in the room, but once we put on the ring light, the picture just everything was just looking so good, looking so beautiful. So I thought I should talk about this ring light, because a lot of you guys love my product reviews, right? So it's not just about makeup. I talk about so many products and such things. So I thought I should review this ring light, because when I buy stuff, though I'm really clever, I feel like I'm really clever when I buy stuff. I always make sure that I get the best bargain, the cheapest, the high quality stuff that you can get for like the best price. So after doing a lot of research, I felt like this ring light was really good. So that's the reason I got this ring light. And I also feel like this ring light will be very useful on the long run. And also my dear friend, and she's like my little sister, you guys, her name is Shreya on Instagram. So this friendship is purely online, right? And she got another ring light, which is by this company called Neewer. So it's Neewer, Neweer, I guess. So she got the ring light, and she was like, so it's priced in such and such mark. So we just wanted to compare our ring lights and see what sort of benefit we're getting from each of these stuff that we get. So I'm going to show you the ring light, and I'm also going to talk about its features, and also any sort of accessory that we need to get along with the ring light. All right, so let's jump right into the video. So I got this ring light on Amazon, and I'm just going to show you the cardboard. I'm going to show you the cover that it came in, so you can actually see what sort of packaging it comes in. And this is the ring light. Actually looks like there's light shining from it, right? So I'm just going to go a little further so you can actually see the whole package, and you can also compare how big the ring light is when compared to like an actual human face. You guys, I'm like 5'5", and this is really funny. So I'm like 5'5", and I think I have a normal face. It's not too big, it's not too small. So this is how big it is, you guys. The product is actually, I'll show you the product anyway. But anyway, this is how the cardboard looks, and this is how it comes packaged in. So I'm just going to read what's on the cardboard. So this is the Digitech LED ring light DRL18H, so which is 18 inches, you guys. The power output is 55 watts. It has dual temperature for 3200K to 5600K. So when they say dual color temperature, it goes from like cool lighting, from like white light to yellow light, and it's super pretty, you guys. Like, both the lights they work amazingly well for different situations of photo shoots or like recording videos. So it has this cool, beautiful white light and this amazingly beautiful yellow golden light, so you could just like change it from cool to warm. And illumination is 5200 lm lux. Let me tell you, you guys, I have no idea like how this camera works, how like how a ring light should actually be set up, how it should work and everything. I don't have that knowledge, and I don't think that I would want to learn it also. But I'm just somebody who I don't understand those things, you guys. So I just wanted light for my video, so I got a ring light. And so I really don't know what lux means. I don't know how but if you're somebody who's looking to buy, who has that sort of photography knowledge and all that lighting sense, and if you're just very intelligent like that, then I think you would understand what that means. So it's also got no shadow aperture. It's got a stepless adjustment of light intensity. It runs on AC DC both. Digitech ring light DRL018H with no shadow apertures is essentially a boon for photo video shoots at no electrical power supply spot. So it runs on two optional NPF 550 750 960 Li ion battery. So it's lithium ion battery. Can be mounted on a grip head or light stand as per needed. 240 PCS high quality SMD LED lamps with stable color temperature. Ideal use for ring light selfie. If you're one of those TikTokers, although TikTok is banned, so it's ideal for ring light selfie. And for makeup artists also, if you're a makeup artist, you're going to a place where they don't have really good lighting, you need really good lighting to actually make sure that the makeup looks good, you guys. If you're working in a dark like a sort of a dull, gloomy room, you could really assess the situation in a wrong way, and you could really just do the makeup in a very wrong way. So I feel like this ring light is actually really useful. Even when they mention makeup artists, it's actually really useful for anybody who is in the entertainment or like if you want really good lighting, like this is such a good buy, especially because it also works on batteries. So if you could just buy those batteries, and you could even like take it out, it could work on its own, and that's just amazing. So for portrait photography, for video shoots, fashion photography, you name it, like it works. So other than that, I'm going to include all the information, like whatever you need to know about this ring light, you guys, whatever is written on the cardboard box, whatever information I feel like you guys need to know about this ring light, I'm going to include it in the description box down below. So please check the description. I will leave, like whoever the maker is, if they have their address, I'm going to put that address down. I'm going to leave all the links down below, so please check the description box. So you guys, on that note, we are going to see the product itself. So this is the ring light, you guys. It does come with the bag. So I'm going to just take it out. Okay, this is huge, right? Look how huge it is. But I feel like the bag though is just so sensible. It's so perfect. See, so this is how it is. So if I put my head, like this is how big it's going to be. Check it out. And this is like the so this is what this is the thing that you use to like attach the stand. Inside the ring light bag, you have these two things, which is the cable for the ring light to attach to an electrical source, and then you have this tiny equipment to mount your phone or camera. So it comes like this, and this is how it looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach the cable to a power source, which is super close by, you guys, and I'm just going to light the LED on my hand I'm like holding it. I'm going to just show you how it works. You can also check out the the control systems on it. And also, you guys, by the way, I would suggest when it's turned on, do not touch the the battery options, because I we were taking pictures, right? And I was trying to turn on the power button from inside, like from this side. I was trying to turn it on like this, and I accidentally touched the battery part of it, and there was some sort of electrical like I could feel the current, you guys. It wasn't really bad, because if it was bad then I wouldn't be here recording this video, but yeah, but there is some sort of like you can feel the current. So please be careful, don't touch it in places unwantedly. And also I wouldn't really advise lighting up like an LED thing by holding it. I'm just trying to show you guys I'm really safe, you guys. And my family is pretty close by, so please don't try this at home. This is how it is. This is how the plug is. I'm just gonna plug it in like this, and then what we're going to do is we are going to connect it. Whoa, right? Like guys, I'm so sorry, it's so this is how the ring light works, you guys. Can you see? So we've got a little bit of the controls. It's right over here. So it goes from, like, can you see? You can make it from off to on to, so the light goes from super cool white light to yellow light. So this is how yellow it gets, and it becomes white like this. And you can also turn on and off the intensity. Like if it's too bright, you can make it a little dim, and if you feel like it's too dim, you can actually make it super bright. And this is how it works. And we have a very simple on and off button over here, you guys. So if I do this, it's going to just turn off. So it's pretty simple, and as you guys can see, this is where the battery options are. You could put the battery over here, you could put your camera over here. We have that little screw like thing over here, so you could just screw your camera. You have to buy that screw extra online, you guys. I'll leave that link also down below. I don't know the name of it, but I did buy it. So you just have to put that screw over here, and you could fix your camera over here. You can put your phone over here. So as you guys can see, this is where the camera goes, this is where your phone goes, and these are your controllers. One for the for the intensity of the light, and one to turn the temperature from cool to warm. So these are your two controls, and this is your on and off switch, and this is where your electrical supply goes. So you could easily take it off. You could just put your batteries, and you could just like take it with you. So this Digitech LED light does not come with a stand. So although it's like the cheapest option in the market, you guys, it does not have a stand, right? So you have to get the stand extra. So I'm going to show you the stand that I bought. Guys, this is the ProLight 9 feet light stand that I got. This is how it comes packaged, you guys. So I'm gonna like open it and show you guys right away how it looks. So as you can see, it's almost peeping out over here, and we are going to set it up. Okay, so this is how the stand is. Hope you guys know that you have to release this lock. So once you do that, you could really just open this. So can you see? This is actually becoming, this is how it is, you guys. You know what, like I do not have any help over here to help me set everything up, so I'm just like trying to show you guys. Okay, this is me attempting to show you guys. So this light stand, actually it goes up till 9 feet, you guys, but because I want to show you guys, I'm going to just not, you know, like pull it up to its highest capacity. I'm just gonna like just mount the ring light and show you guys. So all you have to do is get the ring light stand to the position and height that you desire, and then take your ring light, and you guys, all you have to do is just turn this screw, and you can just make it tight and make sure that the ring light, you know, stays that way, that it's safe and it won't fall. So once that's done though, the ring light will be able to move front and back, you guys. Can you see? It's going front, it's going back. So if you want to really just put it in a position, let's say you want it forward like this for your makeup and stuff, you just have to turn this screw which is over here. Hope you guys can see the screw which is over here. So you have a screw up front and you have a screw in the back, right? Just make it tight. So now it's tight. And just leave it like that to just show you guys how it works. See? So can you guys just see that the light is now working? So can you guys see that the light is now working? So this is the cool light, this is the beautiful yellow light, and this is how you increase and decrease the intensity of the light, you guys. You guys couldn't see my face. So you guys, tada, that is it. Do I look like an angel with this halo effect? But you guys, that is it. I know that this review is sort of lame because you know what, like I was all over the place, you guys, but I did try my best to show you guys what I got, how it works and all of that. So I really hope it helped you. If you want to buy this ring light, you can go ahead and buy it. Please, if you feel like you can save up and get the best in the market, please save up. Even for this ring light, I had to save. I had to think a lot of time before buying, because money is money. Even if it's in the smallest quantity, you guys, money does not come easily, right? Like we work really hard to earn money. So please think about it and then make an investment. But this is my review basically. So I just want to talk about the cost, about how many days Amazon took to deliver to me, and also about the cost of the stand and everything. So let's jump into that. The price, you know, how much we got it for, how much discount we got, all of those things. So I'm just going to look into my phone and really just read the price, the product name and everything. So the ProLight heavy duty light stand, 9 feet for ring light, reflectors, photo and video studio shooting, portable, foldable, blah blah blah. We got it for 799 rupees. And it's actually, the MRP is 1500, but on Amazon it's actually 799 now. I would suggest wait before buying. Just wait, see if the price is going up, going down. They will have so many sales right on Amazon. Just wait for the sale and then buy it. So I'm going to include a picture over here of the product, the name, everything, and I will also include the product, the details, everything in the description box down below. So please check both the places. Next, I got the name of the screw that allows you to attach your camera to the ring light, right? So it's called the generic 1/4 converter screw adapter for tripod and head. So you could basically just use the screw on any place that has this provision to put the screw, and that retails for 300 rupees, but Amazon has an offer for 167 rupees. It could go up, it could go down, so please just note the price, wait for the best possible deal available and then buy it. So up next is the Digitech 18-inch LED ring light. So for YouTube, video shoot, makeup shoot, studio shoots, Instagram video, DRL 18, that is the caption for this ring light, and it retails for 3,899 rupees, and the MRP rupees is 5,955. So they also have EMI options available. If you want to buy it with your credit card, you could do that. But I think it's a pretty good LED light for like 4,000 rupees, you guys. So please check Amazon, please check their Great Indian Sale, whatever it is, just check it and then buy this product, you guys. So right now it's on 35% off, so please check that and buy it. So other than that, once I ordered this, despite the pandemic, the product reached me in like 5 days, you guys. So I think that's pretty good, especially now with whatever's going on. So they dispatch it from their seller, right? And then it has to cross so many areas which is going through a pandemic, you guys. So it might take more than 5 days to reach you. So please be patient. I feel like Amazon delivers at the right time. They do their best. They have the best customer service. They have, like, I'm not sponsored by Amazon in any way, please don't get me wrong. I am in no way affiliated to Amazon right now, but I would just like to say that they do offer the best customer service ever, you guys. So I've had like really good experiences with Amazon, and even with certain products that don't get delivered in a good situation or state, I do talk to the Amazon customer care and they resolve my issues, right? So really I feel like you could just put your trust on Amazon and buy this product from there. I've got a really nice product and it works really well. It's been, when did I buy this? Let me see the date that I've got this. So I got this on 6th of June, so now it's August, so it's like been a month, and we've used it for like about 6-7 events, you guys, like family functions and photo shoots and such things, and it's worked amazingly well. So I really hope this review helped you guys in some way or the other. Once I feel like I have a proper, I'm recording in natural light right now. I'm not even using, like, my ring light is right over there, as you guys can see. So I always record in natural light. I just personally feel, as a makeup artist, when you're doing makeup though, you shouldn't really manipulate that makeup. But I do understand if it's cloudy outside, because it's rainy now, right? Like the rainy season has started, and if it's cloudy outside, it does not pick up your makeup correctly. But I will never manipulate my makeup or the kind of looks that I'm putting with light. Sometimes if you turn on the light too much, it does blur out your pores, when actually in reality everybody has pores. Makeup does not look like it does not look like plastic. It looks real, you guys. So yes, so as a makeup artist, I definitely would recommend this to my fellow makeup artists. If you're traveling, it's easy to carry. It's just like 1.1 kgs of weight. It's easy to carry. It comes with a bag. The stand also, guys, I can do the ring light, the stand, and my other two, like the backdrop stand, everything. I can do it single-handedly as a single person. I can do it. I'm strong like that. But yeah, this is easy to carry. You can do this. If you want to carry it around, you want to get really good pictures for your Instagram of your work, this is definitely useful. So you guys, other than that, I feel like I've talked about everything about this ring light. I hope this helps you. Please leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about this review. If you have any questions or anything, please just comment. I respond to each and every comment. I try my best, so please stay in touch. I hope you guys are safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.